Hello everyone, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies. My name is Ankush. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss about a very important topic of the Oracle DBA. We called it as a fast recovery area. Some people are also calling it as a FRA location. Some people are also calling it as a flash recovery area. So different people are using the different terminology, but at the end it behave like a same techniques only. So there will be a question in your mind that what is this fast recovery area? So basically it is a location where you can store your database related files. And the most important thing is you can store your Oracle database RMAN backup also. Let's assume that you have configured this FRA location. Then you are going to store your RMAN backup location into FRA location. By default, your backup will go into the FRA location. And it is a Oracle managed location. So by any chance, if your backup got obsolete, then the backup will get deleted from the FRA location automatically. That takes care by the Oracle itself. Apart from the backup, there are many other files which will be stored into this FRA location. So we have a file like your archive logs. You can store your archive logs to the FRA location. You can store your online read log files that can be stored into the FRA location. As I said earlier, you can store your RMAN backup also. That is the most and widely used for the FRA location. The files like your online read log files, data files, current control file, all these files can be stored into your FRA location. But these files can be stored into the FRA location only when your FRA location is enabled. How are you going to check whether your FRA location is enabled or not? You just need to connect to the SQL Plus utility and fire a command like show parameter recover. If you see the path over there, that path will be your FRA destination path. And second parameter will be related to your size of the FRA location. I'm going to show you how to enable the FRA location and how to check the FRA location practically. But for that, you just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in a single video, it's very difficult to put everything. So just subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are looking for completely real-time Oracle DBA training, you can reach out to the number which is available in the description of this video. We have online training also available, as well as classroom training also available in Pune, Wakad location. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any doubts, anything, please comment in the comment section so that we will understand that what you are looking for in the next video. Thank you.